Hey guys, this is Miss Ratliff, and I'm a special ed teacher at Central Elementary here in Johnson County, and this is my virtual classroom. I'm going to give you a little tutorial of it and different things I have set up. First off, I want to say I did not design the slide you're seeing now. I purchased the template from Teachers Pay Teachers and added some stuff to it, and I got some of the ideas from some of my coworkers, so I cannot take credit for their work. I want to give them a shout out. Thanks for sharing your ideas. First thing right here on the introduction slide that all my students will see once they click on the presentation in Google Classroom is they got some links. They've got a welcome link, Google Meet, Google Classroom, and then this says no to students only. If they click the welcome, it'll bring up this PowerPoint slide presentation, and they can click here and learn some information about me. The school's COVID-19 update is here. The school information is here. The news, this is linked directly to our school's news page. Our school safety pledge, the elementary school's website, the school calendar, student handbook and other documents, and Infinite Campus Parent Portal. The next slide, this is stuff that we use: Boom Cards, Vizzle, Seesaw, Google Meet again, and Google Classroom. When they exit back off of this one, go back to this. If they click Google Meet, it'll take them into the Google Meet. They click Google Classroom, it'll take them to Google Classroom. They click here, it brings up this slide. My students, I have some that recognize their name, I have some that don't. And for confidentiality, where I do teach special needs, are all assigned a character. If the student that's assigned to Goofy gets on here and tries to click the dinosaur, it will not let them. They can only click their assigned character. And once they get in, they will bring up another presentation just for them. The student is in kindergarten, and I have resources, like here's Seesaw link, and then they'll go on down and they'll see each month is divided into the weeks, and I've got that all the way up until Christmas. And then if it's underlined, I've already got stuff up there like started on their slide for that week, so I'll go ahead and show you that. This is for our first day, which is September the 1st. So they'll go right here, Tuesday, September the 1st. They're going to do a Rockin' My School Shoes activity on Seesaw. They can click there and go to Seesaw. Getting to know you activity on Boom Cards. They can click right here and go to Boom Cards. And we're going to have a Google Meet for those that are virtual. I've got those pulled up. I'm going to go ahead and show you here. Here is the Rockin' My School Shoes activity. They'll push play here. It'll give them, they have to record 2 of their favorite things. And then it also gives them the option to color their shoe, which I thought would be really neat for my kids. And then the Boom Card activity, it's a what is your favorite? And it'll give them this. And I love that it has the words and symbols. And then they'll hit this and it gives them this. I like, and then they will pick and drag their color down. And then it goes on to the next question. And the Vizzle I've not got set up yet, but everything is right here. So the only thing my students will do is log on to Google Classroom using Clever, and they'll click on the link of this, which is already uploaded, and they'll click View Students Only. They'll go back to the slide to find their picture. They'll click their picture, and then their slide will pop up, and it's right there. I try to make it as simple as possible for my parents and my students. And it's also going to be linked to their other teachers. If they have OT, if they have speech, if they have another teacher that works with them and me as well. They'll also have access to instructional assistants this way. Everything's in one document. I thought that would be the easiest. This is all new to everybody, and trying to make it as easy as possible and still make sure that all the students' needs are met and everybody is getting the quality education that they deserve. Thank you.